I want to give you a few other causes that you may not have thought of. If your brain is not wiring and firing, if you're not emotionally okay, one of the biggest things that we know is that inflammation is the root of many diseases: heart disease, cancer, diabetes, arthritis. We can keep going on and on. Inflammation is now highly related to brain disease as well, and with aging. In fact, it's called inflammaging. So, inflammatory aging, and that affects everything, but the brain is specifically linked to it, and especially memory decline. If we have inflammation going on in the brain, your memory starts to suffer. It's like your brain being on fire. It cannot work properly if that's going on. And some of the risks, I know that you should know by now that many of the things that we talk about with every disease state, from cancer to just an ache and a pain, is are the same risk factors, and that includes smoking is one of the biggest ones, especially with brain health. Smoking, hypertension, diabetes, obesity, excess alcohol, depression itself. Being depressed is not good and puts you more at risk for dementia. We talked about less educated, traumatic brain injuries, and those could be old ones from childhood. You fell out of the tree or you played football without your helmet on, or even with the helmet on. Obesity, air pollution. Air pollution is one of the biggest environmental factors that we have going on right now that we know is affecting our health, and now we know it's affecting our brain. Insufficient sleep, watching TV too long, and frequenting bars. They actually did a study. Those who went to the bars more often had a higher risk of dementia. And remember, the most common form is Alzheimer's, and also processed food.